Mamema wakwaba emfa umbra GCN page so mesrel subscribe to my channel founsa me abe one so ubenya notification ense me koso wo memu bia ubenya bietie anase ubenya bia hwe ewo GCN page ha midin ede adwoa sechi nana ba anamwa eye journalist ewo my Ghana mu nana no art ye papa ene eba ne brofo kadia obia entume no na nana ba eye obia odeni social media platforms no eboa amafu bebre uko Facebook, Instagram, Twitter or the eboa amafu bebre amafu de eboa mo titu na omo street ne so hustler ebi mo ekra degrees ebi mo ayo masters ene se wo approach no uhun wa traffic na se wo approach no beboa wo pa na wa aboa amafu bebre de omo abeto ne social media handle so a omo enya adwuma aye na ba ko a ode na ba ya branch bia we school ewo University of Winneba Education chese abranti na no brofo de ye papa ne ho so etwa ne ho fe na oton tea roll toilet roll ewo traffic ma hu na ba na mo a approaching do na sem eto na nim na in fact asem no rehu ye papa na youth na de bia mo wo my Ghana mu adwuma ni ho nti e be bokro na e be ye sei no aho na wo sadu ona du na yakopon de ma no eden na wo de ye government na said Ghana from penifom said so mo create jobs na youth na ye wo man mu ye bi ye but na hia na so mo create jobs na ye betena audience ahye ye dem fam susa unemployment abokro ne jenje ku ni pe ho ehia na hwa branch we no fe we university okra degree na se onya dwuma ye na so ton toilet roll ewo traffic ma enti intama ade ensa na onya do de be kona no ana dan na wontumi nsi ena ka na wontumi ento ena waware de be kwa chi but de obetim de ahwehwe ho be de betwitwa ho de obetim yanya obetim kura nya de aware because there are a lot of women out there mama fo no ebi mo ton pure water e de ahwe mo mba ewo first a free SHS mba JSS free SHS ewo university the BSc dan it is a government ne yana dwen se beboa youth na so yemoa ye ho ne yakopon betimi aboa ye abrante we university na oton tiro ewo kwan ho yare ho sem but na so no betimi aye ode adidi anana ba na mo a otumi approach no traffic ma wa aboa na yentie ensem a abrante no de etudwa.
What's your name?
I'm AJ Desmond.
Desmond AJ.
Yes.
So I just met Desmond on the Achimota Road. He's a hawker here. He sells toilet rolls. This is what you sell, right?
Yes, please.
Is that the only thing you sell?
Yes, please.
The toilet rolls?
Yes, please.
And how long have you been selling this?
For the past 2 weeks.
For the past 2 weeks?
Yes, please.
Okay, but so you've been on the street for just 2 weeks?
Yes, please.
Why?
But initially, that was what I was using to finance myself throughout my university education.
So you are done with university?
Yes, please.
So you were on the street hawking, and then you used that to see yourself through the university?
Yes.
Which university?
University of Education, Winneba.
Winneba. What did you read?
I read BS Management Education, Kumasi Campus.
So when did you complete?
2019, I'm done with my service as well.
Why did you do your national service?
Drasu Senior Technical High School.
Okay, and you didn't get a job?
Yes, please.
So that's why you are back on the street,
Sure.
selling toilet rolls?
Yes.
So you're looking for a job?
Yes, please.
Okay, what kind of job are you looking for? Why did you said you did your national service at Drasu?
Yes, please.
Okay, but apart from that, what else have you done?
I've also worked with National Identification Authority before as a supervising registration officer.
Okay.
And I also ever did worked with in that heavy duty industry.
Okay.
Now they are doing quite, but at first water.
Okay. So you're looking for a job?
Yes.
You're looking for a job
Sure.
to do. Okay, what kind of job? Do you have any idea?
If I get GS, I'll be very glad.
GES. You
Yes,
want to
please.
you want to teach?
Yes.
Of course you went to University of Education. All right.
Or better still, any office job will do.
Okay. All right. So that's Desmond J. Desmond is a hawker. I just saw him in traffic and he decided to talk to me. So I decided to park and listen to him. So please, I'm looking for a job for him. So if you can offer him a job, please kindly contact me. I'll be extremely happy. Desmond, I wish you the very best of the day. I'm going to take your number. I'll be in touch. Okay. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Thank you, Mommy.
All right.
Yensa no Ghana for ya dio. Enti emra. Nana emra ne de ba boy yan for ma wodwene ehun. Yen nyama wo so mu ko school free. Enyanka ne nwisia mo bra wa for na me kasa ma wo mu no. Social media. I don't deserve to disgrace myself or to talk on social media. To insult anybody. I'm nobody to nobody. But I care for your good things, your good dream. And Ghanaians are not buying your good dream. So which I was not even like those people, they call themselves graduates. But I care what you're doing. Ghana ni railway sinyajimo. Journalists be at me can want some do. Omo faso koto fo suntalese. Omo jamu ho ekoba. Journalists be at me ko radio station and can want some. But at them the dia de timi tena woye. At them the dia de timi damne ho blogger. And the Ghana journalists is na mo ye blogger. And the bloggers no kura ye come anim e will follow us as because of that, you guys are so disappointed to the country. Bloggers, you know, our followers because you did them. So journalists are Ghana and started in the day. I pay followers. You are ashamed of your qualification. You are ashamed of your so-called the name you put in yourself, journalists. And the journalists a bit second, Captain Smart. And it was a journalist, and no broker or a broker. Don't tell me, say, Captain Smart TV, a TV station, bio. And I mean, Sabato TV, I'm a tiano. Many package woe. Niana me be a madio. Mancoyo be a human sound. Me be a Sabato TV, by myself, by my dream. I didn't go to any journalism school. And I was not even going to school to learn anything about journalists. But I can talk as a good citizen from Ghana. I can educate my brothers and sisters to get a good mentality and knowledge to change their life to become better life. I tell you, who journalists no crowd here no. Nyansa ni atina dem tremuni bi. Eso me ton family ki yogurt me bo shine. Me catch us me ma brabo betimi abeche wo brabo. I'm telling you. I don't need to express myself on social media, but with my common sense and my knowledge. It is how you journalist here. Why don't you fight for your citizens? Ghana near a problem be a minim. I'm ashamed of yourself. And I'm you try baby uncle for essential. Baby uncle for Eco School Siania. Justice was there for a long time. Even by the Kufuor bad John Mahama, they tried to build some schools. Kufuor did more than John Mahama did. Kufuor did more roads than John Mahama did, than NDC did for 29 good years in power. No journalist was able to show us our road. No journalist was able to tell Ghanaians what is happening in Ghana. And today Jonas is telling we guys what is happening in Ghana. You guys are so disappointed and so ashamed of yourself. Today, my brother fell from above, who struggled to pass Libya, to use desert, to use a sea, to go to Europe. Now the guy become he becomes so worried for Ghana. Quite fast to be somebody, quite fast to be change your life, and yet I'm a neo cassette yamane. I saw a Kufuor